Okay, this is just another slide just showing you that how much we're moving from 2009 was just a little bit, you know, we were really working on 2 data centers at the same time, and then in 2010 we're really kicking things off and moving faster. But the amount of data calls I think I'm trying to say in there is that everybody wants to say, oh, you know, I've got the facilities management people telling me, can you virtualize a few more machines? I mean, they're telling us what to do just to get our floor space down. But on this particular slide, this is like the last slide I have, I believe, but what I'm showing you here is that our consolidation, we're looking at consolidating like 500 systems a year and going out to the 2013 timeframe, and then we start looking at how we upgrade and refresh. And initially, our design build for the West was going to start in 12, as I said, and as you can see, it's running parallel with that system. But until we get that Western data center completely stood up, we're using an old legacy data center for our redundancy because we don't have anything else to do until we get that done. I am missing line 5 here on this slide, but it tells you in the DC area we have 10 legacy data centers that we're shutting down at the end of the 4 years, and that is line 5 that's missing. And so we were leaving the OCONUS, the overseas posts, alone until the OMB data center call came in. And what happened is they said, no, you're going to include the overseas posts, which are our embassies. We can't really do anything with the embassies because an embassy may be shut down tomorrow if something happens in that country you don't know about. And if you've regionalized or done something like that in that country, then you're out. So what we are doing is we're virtualizing as much of the footprint at the embassies as we can, and we're doing that right now. We'd already started and planned for that before the OMB data call, so we're going to continue with that effort. And we're looking at how we can then, can we regionalize? Are there countries that are very stable that we can do that in? Most of the times we've got to leave some sort of footprint there. We can't bring everything back here domestically, so that's really the approach. So when I look at my OMB numbers, it looks like I have 361 data centers and I'm only going down to 200 and something. That's because I have 280 posts around the world that we're probably going to leave some sort of footprint